Hi guys, I will continue to introduce MQL Binance programming. The topic is order size precision. Binance different symbol have different order size precision. For example, this is with USDT. We can see the order size precision is 3 decimal places. We can get the order size precision by MQL single volume step. Let's have a look. Single volume step property. Navigate to the symbols. And scroll down. We can see this property, volume step, which is 0.001, and it is 3 decimal places. We can get order, so we can get the order size precision by symbol volume step. Below code is how to do that. This code will finally return a number, which is 4, which is 3 if the symbol is USDT. We have to send the correct order size precision when sending order, otherwise Binance reject the order request. That means we cannot send an order with order size precision is 4 decimal places if we are sending order if USDT. Binance will reject that. So we have to use MQL function NormalizeDouble to set the correct order size precision of the symbol before we sending the order request. We can see this line of code. We modify the by precision quantity to a number with correct order size precision decimal places, which is 3 if the symbol is USDT.